Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have some crazy lipstick on my teeth. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you haven't guessed, we are doing lip art. So I did this cute little rose lip art inspired by the Lime Crimes Velvetine lipsticks. They're adorable box. Anyway, if you want to see how to create this onto your lips, or you just want to watch me do it, then keep on watching.
Okay, so we are going to start with the Bourjois lip contour pencil in Rouge. Make sure this pencil is nice and sharp so we can get a nice crisp line. So continue to line your lips as best you can. Don't worry if it isn't a perfect line. We will tidy it up with concealer later if you want to. So once you have lined your lips, I don't know why I didn't colour my lips in. I normally colour my lips in with the pencil as well, but I didn't. So we're going to use the Lime Crime Velvetine in True Love. This is a matte lipstick, so it will dry down matte. You will need to wait for it to dry down matte before we start to draw our little roses on. I did pop a couple of layers on. So once it is dry, just takes a few minutes, we are going to grab ourselves some of the NYX Vivid Brights. This one is Vivid Petal. They have tiny little brushes which are pretty good for drawing with. But if you're not that steady, I mean, I'm not that steady-handed, you could use a tiny little artist brush. I'm wiped off all the excess of the product, so there's only a little bit on there. And then we're going to attempt to draw our roses. We're just doing the, I don't know how to describe it. You just do little C's inside each other. So they don't have to be perfect at all. I mean, you'll see mine are definitely not perfect at all. And then I went off camera. So I've done 3 on the bottom lip, and then I'm doing just 2 on the top. And as I said, they aren't perfect at all. Now, my lips, obviously, especially with a matte lipstick on, you can see I have lots of fine lines and everything like that. So the matte lipstick does enhance those. So try to stretch your lips out as much as possible to get more of a smooth surface to try and draw on, and it will stop your brush from skipping, which you can see it skips over on my one, but it is what it is. It still looks pretty good from afar. Next we're going to go in with the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Envy. I started drawing on the leaves. So just some lines, some long triangles for the leaves. Do 2 of those on each of the roses. They can go in whichever direction that you want. So once we have completed all of our leaves on our lips there, then we will be going in with another NYX Vivid Brights or liquid liner, and that will be in the white. Obviously you don't have to use the vivid liners for this. I mean, they are slightly drying, as you would know if you do use them. You could use other liquid lipsticks, you could use face paints, cream face paints, anything like that. and just little artist brushes. So here we are. We're using the white eyeliner, and we're just popping just a tiny bit on each of the roses and each of the leaves, just for a little bit of highlight, a little bit of definition, and then we will be done. It is that quick. You can tidy it up with your lip pencil just to make some of those lines a little bit sharper, and tidy up as well with a little bit of concealer around the lips if you really want to. I did do that, and you'll see in a sec the end result. Actually, you've already seen it at the very beginning. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all later.